Namaste everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yoshita and I'm a certified yoga teacher. So today's video is about the alignments and adjustment to Hanuman Asana, which is known as the full front split. We may have seen so many people, they do the Hanuman Asana and they get the injuries or they get too much pressure or pains during the posture. But that is not the case in the true posture because the asana should be comfortable and stable as well. So we are going to start the practice now with this. Now before we do the alignments, we must do a little warm up to stretch the thighs and the hamstrings and basically the quadriceps to have a easier position. So the warm up is, we are going to start from the tabletop position, bringing the right leg forward in the low lunge. Then you're going to walk your leg slightly out and then your right hand slightly in. You're going to stretch the pelvis up and down for 1, 2 and 3. Now we're going to stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. In the same position, we're going to bend the left knee as much as we can. Make sure that your body weight is on the right leg and not on your hands. Then open up your chest, look up and stay there for 5. Feel the deep stretch in your quadriceps and your hamstrings. 4, 3, 2 and 1. In the same position, you have to bend your elbows and come in the lizard pose. Keep pushing your pelvis down, stretch your right knee out and body weight on the right leg. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly drop your left leg down and then come up and we do the half split. So we have to straighten up the right leg, bringing the right leg in the middle of the mat. Slowly flex the feet. Inhale, lengthen your spine and then exhale, fold forward. Or you can drop your palms down. Just stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now we'll do the low lunge and half split simultaneously. So you have to inhale, come in the low lunge, push your hips down and then exhale, come in the half split. Beautiful. Again, inhale, come in the low lunge, push your pelvis down and then exhale, go to the half split for 3, 2 and 1. Last round, inhale, come in the low lunge and then exhale, slowly go back to the half split for 3, 2 and 1. Bend your right knee, slowly bring it back to the tabletop. One time we do cat and cow. Inhale, back bend, look up and then exhale, hunch your back and then we switch the side. So bring your left leg forward in the low lunge position, walk your left ankle out and left hand in and we push the pelvis up and down for 1, 2 and 3. Now you have to push your pelvis down, look forward, make sure body weight is on the left leg and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly bend your right knee, bring your feet towards your hip, maintaining the weight on the left leg and stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. In the same position, bend your elbows to the lizard pose. Keep stretching your left knee out, body weight on the left leg and open up your chest. Beautiful. And stay there for 5, 3, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax your right leg back and then slowly come back to the half split. So we're going to straight the left leg, bring the left leg in the middle of the mat, inhale and then exhale, slowly bend forward. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now we'll do the dynamic movement of low lunge and half split. So inhale, come to the low lunge, and then exhale, go to the half split. Beautiful. 2 more times. Inhale, low lunge, and then exhale to the half split. Stay there for 3, 2, and 1. Last time. Inhale to the low lunge, and exhale, go to the half split. Stay there for 3, 2, and 1. Come back to the tabletop. Again, cat and cow. Inhale, back bend, look up, and then exhale, hunch your back, and slowly come on your knees. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Relax. Beautiful. So now we are ready for the alignment part. We are going to take 2 blocks to make the pose slightly easy and more comfortable. So you have to put 2 blocks in front of you and open them shoulder width apart. Then we are going to start from the low lunge position. So you have to slowly place your palms on the block, step your right leg forward, and check the alignment that you should be in the low lunge. So you have to be careful that your right ankle and the right knee, they comes in one straight line. Okay, beautiful. And then the most important thing is checking the back ankle. Your ankle should not be inwards like this. It can cause you knee pain. So you have to stretch the leg out, and the ankle and the back hip should also be in one straight line. Now from there you have to stretch the back leg maximum to the back, and then you're going to open up your chest, straight the right leg like the half split, and just stay here. If you feel too much pain here in this pose, you can just hold, or you can modify while slightly bending the front knee. Now, which is the good pain or the bad pain? If you feel the stretching and gentle pressure here in your hamstring, it is a good pain. If you feel the pinching pain just behind your knee joint, it is a bad pain, and you need to micro bend your knee to prevent from any knee injuries. Then you have to slowly close your pelvis and gently walk your blocks forward and slide more forward. Now you have to be careful that you're not opening your pelvis like this. You have to close the pelvic area. If you want to go more deeper, you need to loosen up your joints. Try to find a good balance. Then raise your arms up and stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your palms down. Slowly micro bend your knee, and very gently you have to slide the leg back. Make sure they do not come in a quick hurry. You have to come slowly. Cat and cow. Inhale and then exhale to relax. Now we'll do the other side. So slowly we start in the low lunge position, bringing the left leg forward, checking the 90-degree alignment. Now we stretch the left leg maximum back, the right leg maximum back, and then checking the ankle and hip to the one line. And after that, I'm gonna straight my left leg just like the half split, closing the pelvis, and as much as I feel comfortable, I'm gonna slide my leg forward slowly, and when I will reach to my maximum, I'm going to slowly raise the arms up, join the palms, and stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently you're going to bend your left knee and then come back and slowly back to the tabletop, cat and cow, and exhale and take a small rest in the child pose and just relax for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back. Okay, so this is about the points of alignment. I hope you understood the points, and from the next time onwards, we'll be very careful with the points of alignment. Remember the difference between the good pain and the bad pain, and then work according to your body types. Have a safe and a healthy practice. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. Namaste.